Alright, using the previous one we just did, which was the stop on hit, let's go ahead and scroll back down here to the properties for it. So remember, from the one we just did, we made sure that our collider, we had to turn on after hit was turned off, and then we went ahead and turned the collider off just to be able to walk through it. This time though, we're going to actually turn this one on and turn the collider on. Now when we go into the projectile hit side, we're going to change it to stick on hit. So now what this is going to do is that when it hits, it's actually going to stick into the object. The other option at the same time, there is a on stick push for time, which means we can hit something and then continue applying some force to it, so that if it's a physics object, it'll actually push it around. So let's go ahead and place a physics object in here. I think the default, we'll double check, I think the default value should work for the weight of it. I'm just going to put a couple of pieces in here. Alright, so two things that we'll take a look at here. We'll do the first one, which is when I shoot here, it's going to do damage, but it also leaves the collider on, which allows me to walk on whatever size collider I've made here. And then the other one is when it sticks, it actually sticks and then hits and pushes. And the like for instance the bullets in front, because the physics offset layer is further back than that one. But there you go. So then you can actually hit an object and then continue a push effect to it as well, in case you wanted to use it that way. Alright, so there we go. That'll be kind of a basic element that'll allow you to have a little bit more movement to it. Oh, and then just to note, on physics objects, when the bullets are actually attached to anything with a physics object, the bullet collider disables, at least currently, because the two interconnecting colliders are actually penetrating each other. So we just turn this one off for now. So if you come up to it and you see that you can go through it, that's going to be the reason for it.